Hi, this demonstration will show how InterSystems Supply Chain Orchestrator or SCO can be used to deliver business solutions with accelerated time to value. Let's take a scenario that a workshop is conducted with line of business users and a use case is defined. A set of sample files is collected to support the use case and related business logic and processes are defined. Now, we will show how SCO can be used to ingest the data set with minimum efforts and map the data to a built-in supply chain data model. A business KPI can be configured to automatically capture potential concerns using the logic defined in the workshop. With corresponding business rules and processes defined, SCO can perform, analyze the identified issues and provide actionable insights. Let's see how the scenario plays out with the SCO demo UI. We will start with the SCO instance without any business data or KPI. There are many ways data can be loaded into SCO, and here we will show one way to upload a data file through an API call using the bulk upload feature. To use the bulk upload feature, you have to send a post request to /bulk upload URL. You attach a file which consists of data and a body which is the mapping of the CSV file to the data model object. Let's send the request. As you can see, the data has succeeded. Let's run some setup so that the data that we uploaded gets displayed on the demo UI. I have set up the instance and let's refresh the page to see the data. As you can see, the sales order that we uploaded are now being displayed in here. Once data is loaded into SCO, one can define business KPIs to either understand the business performance or capture issues. A KPI can be defined through an API call. We will define a couple using the custom logic provided. I have already defined a few KPIs in here so I'm going to run this folder. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, the KPIs that we defined in the post call are here. There is one more space left for another KPI to be defined. Once the KPIs are defined, SCO will automatically apply the KI logic to the data in the system and create issues for records meeting the KPI condition. For any issues identified, SCO can perform issue analysis to help line of business understand the importance and urgency of the issue and provide best course of action based on the data and business logic. As we can see, we here have 26 issues. Let's go to one of the issue. We can run an analysis which has already been configured in the supply chain orchestrator. I have a business process which has been configured. The business process name is order issue cost effective analysis. Let's run the analysis. After the analysis has ran on the issue, we can see it comes up with 3 recommendations: root cause, impact analysis, severity, and urgency. To ensure that the line of business users have full confidence with the action taken, an AI copilot is used to explain the logic behind the recommendation with supporting data. In here, we have a chatbot which can be used to know more about the business logic that was executed in the issue analysis. Let's just ask the chatbot why option A was recommended. Here, it gives you an answer that option A was recommended because it involved fulfilling the order with lowest cost impact, and hence this option was recommended. But there can be a scenario where the customer is bringing a lot of revenue and we don't want to have a cost-effective solution but rather a time-effective one where we can quickly deliver the order. Let's see what is the total revenue that this client brings in. As you can see, the total revenue that this customer has brought in is a lot, and we don't want to, upset the client. We don't want a cost effective solution, but rather a time effective one. So we can run a different analysis which is time effective. I have already configured it and I'm going to run it now. After running the time effective analysis, we can see that option A is still the recommended one because it has the lowest delay. The option A is 3 days delay, option B is 8 days, and option C is 4 days. And hence option A was recommended again. Let's just ask chatbot why this option was recommended. As you can see, since this option had the lowest time impact of 3 days among all the available options, this option was recommended. Hence, the AI Copilot helps you understand the business logic that was used to execute the analysis and know more about before taking a decision. So in here, since option A is the best option, let's just pick it and accept it. So you can provide a comment here. Hence, when we take an action, whatever action was recommended, the external systems will be notified about these actions and the execution will happen in the end. Hence, we saw how SEO can be used to identify issues, run analysis, and take business decisions based on some business logic and supporting data. Hence, this demo showed how SEO can be used to deliver business solutions effectively in a small amount of time and requiring minimum efforts, providing maximum output. Thank you.